Hi, I'm Milt Tandy. I'm the president of WireCrafters, and I've got Resiak with me, who is the National Account Sales Manager at Storage Solutions out of Indianapolis area. So welcome.
Thanks, Milt.
All right, got a few questions here for you. So with robotics playing such a big role in material handling, how is that affecting you guys going forward?
We find that most of our customers are challenged with the same kind of pain points, whether it be they need to find increased efficiency or throughput in their current distribution center, and oftentimes as well, they're faced with these labor challenges. So automation really allows us to bring in, really leveraging whether it's automation technologies that include robotics, for instance, really leveraging that technology to help really uncover some unique solutions for our clients, help them hedge against those labor challenges, help them get those increased throughput goals. We find that typically we can do that through robotics, and what's been really interesting is to see that ROI start to, as this goes from an emerging technology to a really proven technology, to see that ROI start to become something that's a lot more palatable with our clients, whether they're big or small.
When you talk about robotics, that's probably not a product you were talking about 10 years ago. So over the past 8 to 10 years, and you've been there 8 years now, I believe.
Correct. Yep.
The line card, the top 10 products that you all talk about, has that changed over the last few years?
Without a doubt. I mean, we joke that there was a time at Storage Solutions where if it moved, we didn't want to sell it. And if we truly continue to focus on our customer and being our customer's advocate, we realize that this is something we have to not only embrace, but something we have to really leverage in order to help our partners and clients succeed. So our line card has changed tremendously. And really, as this emerging technology continues to change, it's almost every year that line card looks a little bit different.
Yeah, there's so much going on now.
It's hard to keep up.
So has you find that your typical customer has changed, or is it much more diverse than what it used to be?
Much more diverse, and we've found that our customer 10 years ago, that same customer has the same name on the wall. However, their business has changed so much. And we see more, direct to consumer business that used to be full pallet in, full pallet out customers.
Right.
So not only has our customer base changed, but our customers' go-to-market strategies have changed, and that's really forced us to continue to change and grow with them.
The evolution of the products and material handling, that's opened up totally new markets for you, I guess, with the robotics, with automation. So where do you see yourself now where you wouldn't have thought you would have been 5, 10 years ago?
Yeah, so 10 years ago, our clients would come to us and ask us to execute a project that they've already laid out. And as technologies have changed so much, it's left our customers really not able to keep up with the emerging market and with the emerging times, and they're left with, sometimes paralysis by analysis. There's so many different solutions, and we can go so many different directions, and that's challenged Storage Solutions. Again, if we're the customer advocate, we want to be able to help them make those decisions. So we've introduced a whole side of our business that helps on that front end design, designing that solution. So rather than come to Storage Solutions with your idea of a solution, why don't you help bring us in a little earlier and leverage some of the knowledge that we have in the industry and let us kind of show you some options. So we've seen really that part of our business starting to really grow, that front end, design, build type of applications.
Yeah, because your customers are bringing you their issues that you've already solved for someone else.
Absolutely, yeah, well said.
So as a material handling distributor, what's your biggest pain point?
The market is changing all the time. There are new robotics companies, for instance, to go back to robotics. Every year I feel like there's 5 or 6 or 10 more thrown in there. And we truly feel like it is our job to make sure that we are staying ahead of the curve when it comes to understanding emerging technologies. None of our clients want to be the guinea pig for an emerging technology. Right. So really making sure that we're doing the due diligence and introducing a solution we can stand behind and support will continue to be a challenge for us, and something that continues to challenge our clients.
All right, Aaron, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.